Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran and welcome back to India Forums ka live session. The guest who will be joining us for this live is going to be Karanveer Bora. Yes, we are going to ask him some fun questions. What is he doing during quarantine? So all you have to do is please start sending in your questions. Please start sending in your questions so that as and when Karanveer joins us, we can make him answer your questions. Yes.
Hey,
Hi Karanveer, welcome to India Forums.
welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hi
Welcome to our live.
guys.
You can chat with these two. Yeah, you can chat with these two. 1 second.
Hello. Hello Bella. Hi Vienna. How are you guys?
You can stand up and talk.
Are you guys always twinning? Wearing the same? Are you guys always wearing the same tops? What all are you eating during quarantine, during this lockdown?
What are you guys doing? I'm eating ice cream. Thank you. I eat ice cream.
Hi TJ, welcome to the live.
You're standing there first? Okay, stand.
Okay, I just asked them that do you guys always twin in terms of clothes? Are you always twinning?
Who? We?
These two, Bella and Vienna.
It's only because they fight over clothes. That's why we give them the same. Otherwise, I don't feel like you have to dress in the same. But if one wears something, that was my favorite color. So to avoid conflict, we give them
And
same clothes.
how is the Bora's family spending quarantine? What all have you guys been doing?
Every day we have to think of new ways to entertain them.
Right.
We're doing a lot of coloring and drawing more than we ever did in our life. A lot of crafts. Katie's really good with making things, doing crafts and stuff with the baby, so he does a lot of that. We're in the kitchen a lot, making things. So we're busy. We don't know when the day starts and days end.
And also, are you guys cooking and all with the kids? Like, are you trying to involve them with like different kinds of activities?
Yeah. They love helping. They love helping in the kitchen. So just to let them feel like they're useful, you mix up some chanas in a bowl, black ones and white ones, say, here, you sort these out. So they sit there and they keep busy while we do the work.
Amazing. And what sort of food items do you like to have as a family? Do you have some munchies and all of that?
They're big fruitarians. They love fruit. They just eat fruit all day.
That's
We
amazing.
make pancakes. We love pancakes. So we let them help mix and stuff and do that. They love pasta, so they help with that. Wherever we're doing, we try to get them involved a certain way because kids eat what they help make.
You know, at this point, children also tend to get very restless. What sort of advice do you have? Some advice for other parents to keep kids like sane when they're getting restless?
Then that means you need to be a bit more involved. Play card games with them. Whenever they're playing with their toys, be a part of their playtime because they want attention. They want attention. So just be with them. It doesn't even matter if you're having a pillow fight as long as you're there. Hanji, go.
I'll take you. Basically, this is what my job is. She does all the life nowadays. She does all the talking. Basically, I'm doing all the work.
And he's like, Mom, pee-pee.
I say,
Like, get going.
get the job. Take on.
Daddy on duty.
Always. He's always on duty.
Not Daddy Ramu on duty.
But isn't it like a fun time also? Like because usually KV is not able to give so much time at home probably because there are shoots and there are things lined up. But now he's at home, and how much are the kids enjoying having daddy around?
They love that he's home all day. every day we tell him, oh, you don't have to shoot today. He says, no, not today. I think during this quarantine time, people respect moms a lot more because now dads are seeing actually how much work there is when you take care of children. It's not like, okay, feed them and bathe them and they do their own thing all day. You have to be present all the time. And now he's seeing it. He's seeing it. So he's enjoying it. He says that this time won't come back. So it's okay.
There are a lot of people who've joined in. If you can please read out a few comments which are coming down.
Comments, they're all like, hello, hi Aarti, Sema, hello, Pratap, Shashikant, hi everybody, hi, thanks so much for being here.
There is, okay, there was a question by, I'll just read it out to you. There was a question from Hansika, and she's asking, what will be the first trip of you guys as a family once everything is good?
First trip, I think first trip will be to the local Gurdwara. We haven't been there.
Yeah, we'll go to the Mandir Gurdwara.
The baby's always asking, like, you want to go to Gurdwara? I said, okay, we'll take you when we can go.
Okay, Deepi Kart is asking, who is naughtier amongst Bella and Vienna? Who's the naughtier one?
I think he's the naughtiest one out of all three of them. I have to take care of 3 babies.
Okay. Okay, the next question is from Khushi_KVB_fan, and she is asking, please ask him when is he going to make a comeback on TV?
I will be TV. Abhi to TV to pata nahi kab.
The whole industry has to get ready for a comeback because everybody will be off work for a long time. So nobody knows. You don't know any. We don't know anything at this point. You can't say.
Right. There is Polly Panet Ira asking, Karanveer, what is the most memorable memory of Love You Soni Hai?
The most memorable. The entire film was memorable because
The
I
whole
remember
shooting was so much fun.
It was like we were part of college. It was like we relived our college days. It was that kind of fun, because the teacher was there. I was there. There's one of our friends who were working in it. Raghu was there.
Bindu was there.
Bindu,
Harry Anand was there.
Harry Anand.
Ethan Frenzel was there. Jaggi Rishi were there. So many people close to us were part of that film.
So we just felt it was a 2 months of going back to college.
Surbhi Jyoti_Karanveer is asking, how much does Sir miss Kabul hai?
How much we miss Kabul hai? No, we moved on. We don't miss it so much. No, we are looking forward to seeing the episodes now again, because it's always fun watching what you've done in the past. You always want to move ahead and do, more bigger things, good work. But you always reminisce on the good work you've done in the past, and Kabul is one of them.
King_Karanveer is asking, King KV, would you be Vicky a bad character or not in Casino?
No, he's not a bad character at all. But he's got his flaws as a human being. But he's not a bad character. He's just very conflicted and very irresponsible, I would say, as a character. But still, he's very loving. You'll feel for him, and how he comes to his own is what his role is all about.
Okay, a lot of people have been asking you that when is Casino coming out? Do you have a release date? Is it going to come out during lockdown?
They're doing masti on their own.
There was Hema writing, can we see Bella and Vienna?
Yeah, we just showed Hema and Bella Vienna masti.
Okay.
So they do their masti on their own also. We don't have to entertain them. Suppose we leave them, they'll do their own thing. That's the best part of having twins.
Amir is asking you what's going to be the release date of Casino and a lot of others.
This week we will announce it. Haha.
Okay. So it's going to be amidst lockdown only.
Yes, absolutely.
I have been asking this to most people जिसकी web series आ रही है, that do you think it's sort of a benefit that new watchers are also going to be watching the show?
Who's going to be watching?
New watchers, so like people who usually don't watch like streaming apps and are usually on television. Now that there's nothing new on television as such, they are
I know
subscribing to.
Television. That's so sad. But yeah, I think a lot of people are going to just, that's the only thing they watch because there's something new coming every day.
Right.
Or every 2-3 days, there's something or the other coming on
True.
on digital. So there'll be a big advantage to all the digital platforms, not only ours.
Right.
Yeah. It's going to be hard for people to go back to TV again because they'll be so used to watching what they want when they want.
Right.
TV will suffer. The only thing current on TV right now is news, and that's it.
Okay. There is Hansika asking, tell us about your connection with Shararat in one word.
Magic.
Magical now, for sure.
Okay. There is Bharti Modi asking, does he miss shooting with Surbhi for Kabul Hai?
Of course, she's so much of fun. All of my actresses, they're, you miss going. This is the first thing somebody asks me, what will you do after lockdown is over? Like properly, is go back to shoot.
Right. There is Weirdo 6.6 writing, Viraj, this character I'm missing of yours from Saubhagyavati Bhava.
No, I shouldn't give it out.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, they're missing Viraj Saubhagyavati Bhava.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Okay. There is Barkha
Something
Samnani
soon will be
writing,
coming up.
are Bella and Vienna going to become child actors?
Oh, no. They're acting enough on our own platform.
They could. Like people do ask, would they? They could, but I would not want them to be not daily soap actors.
Right.
One of them here there is fun, but not to the point where their schooling is happening on set, like in Udan,
Right.
the little girl I've seen her on
I know,
set
poor
once.
thing.
She really misses school, misses her friends. I would never put my children through that. But
True.
a one-off thing is okay, but not while in school to take on a full-time show. No, children
But
need
they're
to be children.
YouTubers. They are also YouTubers already.
That's at their own leisure. When they're free.
And people are loving it also.
And they're not forced to do anything that they don't want to do.
Yeah,
Right.
it's not a forced
True.
thing. Most of the time,
There
it's just us
is-
following them around with the camera.
There is Ishita Insta asking your most favorite memory from Big Boss.
Oh, when my kids came. The family week.
I think that has to be everybody's most like one of the highlights from the season. Right. Acha, this idea of you following the kids around with the camera and like filming for YouTube, where did this come from? And what was the thought behind it?
Mostly because our family is abroad, KV's got family abroad. This is a great way. It was meant for them to stay connected. Instead of us sending separate videos to everybody we know, we told them we just made a YouTube channel. You guys can just watch there. So we would just post random things daily. And then it just became popular. That was like a separate thing altogether. But it was mostly meant for our family in the beginning.
So I started this whole idea of Good Baby Diaries.
There is Siddhant Bastia asking, KV, where can we find your movie Hame Tumse Pyar Kitna?
Oh, very soon it'll be on one of the digital platforms because right now is the perfect time for lockdown
Right.
to tell people Hame Tumse Pyar Kitna.
Okay. There is Ishita writing, describe yourself in one word.
Exhausted?
Right now that's the answer, man.
Are you guys like, sort of, because it's been more than, I think, 30 days since we've been in lockdown. Do you have like a routine or something in place? Because it was just going out haywire and, discipline bilkul bhi nahi tha, and now you've like come down to having a routine.
Actually, yeah, because of lockdown, third day of lockdown, we just said, you know what, we need to lay down some rules around here. So we
Right.
decided, okay, when do they go to sleep? When do they have dinner? When do they have a nap? And it's worked really well because
So the entire lockdown is about our children, not about us.
yeah,
Yeah.
we got them into a routine. So we have some, by 9 o'clock they're sleeping, so we have some time in the evening without, with children, no noise, whatever, they need to be in bed. So it's, we did create a good schedule for them and for ourselves.
Right.
It's
There
already
is
quarter to seven.
Aparna.
It's already quarter to seven, and she already started to put
Kamini
us up in bed.
Chandok is asking you, do you cook? Oh God.
आप ही पूछो.
There was Damini asking KV, I think, does he cook?
Yeah, he does. But
does?
usually he makes a big, yeah, he's good with like making any kind of food actually. He makes we make easy food like a pasta or rice or
Right.
making oatmeal or whatever. If he makes the food, I take care of children.
Does this go on 24/7?
Yeah, that's pretty much 24/7 what happens around here.
But it's good to have kids around also because they also keep you entertained in a way, or else you would have just been like, like binge watching or like just
entertain
cooking,
is a
eating,
wrong
cleaning.
word. They keep us busy, not entertainment.
But they're actually 24/7 entertainment. They are 3 is such a fun age. It's such a fun age.
And because we were talking about YouTube and you guys filming what like a day in their life sort of thing, were you thoda sa skeptical also before starting it? Because internet can get a bit nasty and like people like sometimes they post like rude comments and all of that. Were you like did you give a thought to that also?
I just thought because I didn't think anybody would because they're children, and they didn't actually. For kids' content, people are very kind. They know that kids don't have any agenda. They're not trying to impress anybody.
Right.
So nobody ever posts anything like that on their channel. Even on their Instagram page, Twin Baby Diaries.
Right.
It's not. It's very nice, and people like that it's a happy, positive space. That's why it works.
Even the Instagram page for the captions that you come up with and the writing, how do you write that, and like what is your thought when you actually write it? Because it seems like they are just saying it themselves.
Yeah, sometimes I can only post one picture in a day because I have to think, okay, what does this picture say? I have to be inspired.
Right.
And I always say it should be something meaningful because whether it's Instagram or TV or a film, these days it doesn't matter who the person is. They don't need to be celebrities. Good content is what people love. So even I think on the baby page, there's tons of babies page out there, but I think what works with our page is the content is good.
Right.
We make it meaningful for parents as well as for children.
Right. There is Nigam Neha asking, what are the new skills that you are teaching your daughters these days?
New skills, we're trying to teach them how to share, which is still a problem these days. Besides that, the other new skill, we're teaching them to write ABCs. They learned them a long time ago, but writing, they're still trying to get the hang of that. So we're teaching them reading, writing right now.
So then when school reopens, they won't get a shock like, arey, school jana padega. They are used to like a little bit of... There is Pankaj 99977 asking, what is Bora family's daily routine?
Daily routine, we get up, feed the kids, give them a bath, and then they have their story time, their ABC time, reading and writing. We have like about 1 hour of work with them. But they don't really consider it schooling because this is mom and dad, so it's fun for them. And after that, they have their lunch. After lunch, they sleep for a bit. We cook, we clean, we do stuff. The whole day, all around them. So it's only like
They're
when
just
they
keeping
wake
you
up
on
from
your
the nap.
toes.
Yeah, so when they sleep, by around like 8:30 when they go to bed, then is our free time. We just
Right.
watch Netflix or read or do whatever.
Yeah,
There
so
is
she came
Stuti
back
Gala,
from Yari.
and she's asked this question for like the 5th time, I think. She's saying, are you both planning to have a baby boy after 2 girls?
Listen, 2 girls are enough, but we never say no.
Never say never do anything. We all just leave it up to Grace.
Yeah, really.
I don't think that, so
Right.
trying for a boy. We're not trying for
Yeah,
anything.
really.
We
Yeah.
just loved being parents.
We love babies.
We love.
Girls or boys, it doesn't matter.
If we had another baby, we would be just as excited because we've loved the journey.
Right. Khushi KVB fan is asking, best memory of Nagin 2.
Hi, Kushi.
Oh, shut up. Oh, Nagin too. What? Okay, kar rahe ho.
Then please.
Best memory was when I turned into a snake. Just shooting with Sudhaji, Ada, Moni. It was so much of fun, really. And especially Sudhaji missed us so much, so much.
Neha is asking, who says sorry after a fight first? Your video is lagging a little bit. Did you say an answer?
Yeah, we said it, but you didn't see it. You were looking at the comments.
Nahi, the video is lagging.
No, we gave the answer.
Acha, I hope Neha's got the answer.
Neha got it. Neha saw it. Neha, tell me yes if you saw it.
I think this is broken. It doesn't blow now. See? The Hava doesn't stay.
Okay, there is Khushi asking, who is a better cook, KV or TJ?
TJ.
TJ, do you have a favorite recipe which KV makes?
Favorite recipe which he makes?
Coffee.
He makes really good coffee. He like whips it and beats it, adds a little this, a little that, boils it, back and forth. It's a whole process. And he's got this special coffee maker when he adds flavors and shakes little powders on it. It's a gourmet coffee that he makes.
Wow.
KV's coffee is very good.
Forever_Karanveer is asking, TJ, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, my favorite Hindi movie. I have 2. One, I loved Chandani and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. My 2 favorites.
Wow.
I remember when I saw Chandani, I thought, wow, Sri Devi's the most beautiful woman in the world.
Meena_KVB World is asking, TJ, do you love to read or watch? Like basically movies or books?
I'm about half and half. I've always been a bookworm though. I love books. I have one bookshelf that's full of so many books. It's not the same when you download them, read them on a phone. It's convenient to carry that with you. But I love buying books. I love collecting books. I love going to book sales. I love bookstores. I love.
There is King_Karanveer asking, my King KV, when will your movie on depression be released?
पहले हम डिप्रेशन से निकल जाएं घर से फिर हम बनाएंगे. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, very soon once the lockdown gets over, we'll surely work into it.
Right. Neha is asking, how does KV manage his personal and professional life during regular days?
Oh, good you asked. Put the term regular days. Earlier it was a lot of work was happening when they were around, so they would come and shoot and everything. But now, so either they would come and shoot, like when I went to Nepal to shoot my casino, TJ and the kids came out there, so we spent the entire Nepal schedule together. Maybe when I'm on shoot out here, they come on set, so it's fun. It's interesting. They get to be around. Now whenever I say you're going shooting, I'm also going shooting. Hey Ned, do you want to come shooting? Yeah, see,
yeah, we're coming too.
They just love the shoots.
And we're lucky that we're in this kind of profession where we can bring our kids to work with us.
Yeah,
so it works out a lot.
I want to go in
There is Farhan writing.
Then Aparna also 2306. Hi Aparna, how are you? Hope you're good. Yeah, then who else?
There are a bunch of people. If you can take a few names also before we end.
Yeah. There's Surveer Leha Obsession. There is Shaza _fan _Karanbir Bora. There's Farah Farhan.
Swati Kalia is asking which character
Swati
of
Kalia.
KV has TJ liked the
Hey,
most.
Arzu Gomatrikar. I miss Arzu. Arzu is online right now. I miss her also from now. She was again such a fun character. I know her for a very long time.
Yeah, we miss you.
I hope you're doing good, Arzu. Stay safe, stay home. How's the baby?
Yeah, babies are all going to grow up so much. Our
I
friends'
know.
babies.
TJ, Swati asked you which character of KV you liked the most.
I think he's been terrific in all his characters. I think my favorite was Prem, the legend in Katsoti.
Hi, Dia,
Okay, before
Maria.
we end this, do you
Hey, Reena
guys
Jabran
have
was online. Hi, Reena. How are you doing?
do you guys have a video chat buddy who you guys keep video chatting with?
Yeah.
Mandana a lot because the kids are very close to her. So we'll
Right.
keep calling Mandana. We actually call her my friend Sarah, my friend Natalie Raghu. We keep video chatting with everybody, so we don't keep losing touch.
Amazing. This is also a good time
Hey,
to
we'll
catch up
call
with
from
a
that
lot
one
of
picture.
friends, you know.
नीचे right now. और हौसला भी नीचे उतारो.
You've had a amazing routine. It seems कि मतलब दोनों बच्चों ने एकदम busy रखा हुआ है.
Eye on them all the
They keep you on
time.
your toes all the time.
They took the rocking horse and they put it on top of the sofa and they're riding it on the sofa.
Look at
It was
this.
like,
Oh God.
Look at that.
Okay.
So that's them.
It's very risky.
I know.
Okay. And just before we end this, what message would you want to give everybody? Because like you know, since it's extended, and there are chances it will extend more because Mumbai has been really affected by this. If you had to give a message to all the viewers who are watching, what will it be?
Stay indoors. Really, that's the only way. A month or 2
Right.
months or 6 months of your life, if it's gone,
it's for
doesn't
the
make a
rest-
difference.
What you're
Exactly.
doing now is for the rest of your life. You know, you take
Exactly.
precaution.
So just stay indoors. Whatever the rules and regulations are, follow them, and don't try and be too oversmart and adventurous. Alright?
Right.
Yeah.
Thank
Be
you
safe.
so much,
Alright,
KV,
take
TJ,
care. Thank
and
you
everybody.
so much. Lots
Thank
of
you,
love.
guys.
Everybody from the Bora family for
Bye.
taking out time and talking to us.
Bye, everybody. Say bye.
Say
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, kar do. Say bye.
Stay home and everybody take care of yourselves.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Take care, guys. Take care. Bye.
See you. Bye. Bye.
So, guys, that was KVB with his entire family. There was TJ who joined us. There was Bella, Vienna, the cute little angels. And yes, this is Simran saying goodbye. And I'm going to be back in the next 15 minutes with Sanket Mehta. So make sure you tune in. And that's about it. Take care, stay home, and stay safe.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.